found a cute recipe book at a used bookstore. It's called Let's Have Tea Together, Recipes and Celebrations for Every Season. Holly Pond Hill by Susan Wheeler. It's such a cute little book with poetry and recipes, scriptures, and cute little illustrations of little rabbits. But I noticed on the front of the book there was some copyright restriction. I can only show fleeting pictures. So instead, I'll show my happy little tin that has rabbits in it and review some of the recipes that requires green tea. Let's make a frog cooler. So the first recipe requires some ginger ale ice cubes. So I'm going to freeze these overnight and use them tomorrow. And now we're going to make some green tea. And let's sweeten this just a little. Alright, now we just need to let this cool so we can pour it over the ginger ale ice cubes. So this is what a frozen ginger ale cube looks like. Then we're going to add the green tea, see if it tastes any good. Alright. Not bad. We'll have to wait for those ginger ale cubes to melt a little bit. Okay, it tastes like green tea with flat ginger ale. 3 stars. Next up is an apple sparkler. We need some more green tea. Oops. For every cup of sweetened green tea, we add a half a cup of sparkling water and a half a cup of apple juice. Alright, what did we call this? Apple sparkler. That's pretty refreshing. I give it 4 stars. Banana peach green tea smoothie. Okay, now it's smoothie time. We need a frozen banana. Definitely peel them before you freeze them. Half a cup of frozen peaches, and a half a cup of cooled green tea, and a half a cup of soy milk or regular milk. Blend it up until it's smooth. Banana peach green tea smoothie. Yummy. 5 stars.
Sorry ass DJ.
For green tea shake, we're going to need some vanilla ice cream. That'll be 6 scoops. And 1 cup of strong brewed cooled green tea. Blend that together really well. And that's an easy peasy green tea shake. It's interesting that it tastes really good. 4 stars.
Sorry ass DJ.
So there you have it. 4 yummy green tea recipes inspired by cute little rabbits on Holly Pond Hill. Thanks for watching.